Hello. In this video, I want to think a little bit more about stagecraft, and this is the latest in a series of videos that you will find in the newsletter playlist on my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to think about using props. Now, props can be a great way to help to bring your presentation to life, particularly if you're not using slides, but just generally it can help to bring something visual that people can look at. It helps to just vary the tone of what you're saying and how you're saying it, because it suddenly allows you to reach over, bring something on, show it, display it, talk about it, put it down, changes the energy. If you're going to use a prop, use it with purpose. So for example, if you have a book, and I just happen to have a copy of my book here, The Authority Guide to Presenting and Public Speaking, available on Amazon Audible. If you're going to use a book, I see an awful lot of people will sort of have something like this, and it sort of gets waved around. You know, if you've seen my book, it's, yeah, this is it, or whatever the prop happens to be. It doesn't have to be a book. Hold it, and hold it firm. Let people see it. And you'll notice I'm holding it right next to my face, particularly I think if you're doing something on screen like this, but even on stage, holding it up here next to your face just shows how important this is. It also means if people want to take a photo, they're going to get a great photo of you with whatever your prop happens to be. If you're holding it down in front of you and things, and it's not quite as powerful. I think this is the most powerful position to hold a prop in. And if you are in a much bigger space, you may need to actually hold it right out, so up above your head to let people see it. To the point where if your prop is relatively small, work out whether people can see it. Now, this book is relatively small, so I have an A4 version of the cover, which is on a hard backing, so it doesn't flop around. And if I'm talking in a larger room, I will take that with me and use that if I'm not needing to talk about my book. But if I'm in a really big room, even that can't be seen. So then I would use a slide on a screen behind me or to one side. So pick up a prop with purpose, hold it properly, both hands, show it around if necessary, make sure that both sides of the room can see whatever it is you've picked up, and then put it down with purpose, because that is a really good visual signpost. You're going to move on to the next topic. So just a hint with props, use it with purpose and actually rehearse with it. Make sure that it's part of your preparation for presentation, that you know exactly where you're going to place it, how you're going to pick it up, how you're going to hold it, how you're going to put it down again. Hope that was a useful tip. If you want more, you'll find lots on my YouTube channel. You'll also get tips in my fortnightly email newsletter. If you're watching this on YouTube, you'll find that link you'll find in the comments below. And while you're here, do subscribe and hit notifications so that you find out every time I post new content. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.